Hi, I'm Emily, Quality and Compliance Manager at Young Academics. Part of my role is to ensure our children are introduced to all forms of literacy in the early years. This includes not only the written language through reading, writing, listening and talking, but also exploring a range of communication methods through sounds, music, movement, drama and dance. We complement our unique play-based learning curriculum with weekly music and movement workshops aimed at enhancing a child's understanding of musical elements such as beat, rhythm, tempo, melody, pitch, texture and harmony. This specific workshop incorporates a range of high-quality educational resources and musical instruments that children use with the guidance of specialised workshop teachers to explore the musical elements, express themselves, connect with others and extend their learning through music. The movement aspect of our workshop engages children in a variety of energetic and fun physical games and activities, including dance, drama and movement. We provide a wide variety of tools and materials that extend and challenge children's fine and gross motor skills, balance and coordination. Through our workshops, children are supported to demonstrate spatial awareness and move through their environments confidently and safely. We encourage creative ways of learning because everything that matters to your child matters to us.